Hey everybody, Mr. Odom here, and we need to work out this problem. Problem 14 from section 5.2. You know what you need to have. If you don't, know what tools you need to have. It's on the screen. Pencil, composition book or notebook, paper, and a calculator. The learning target for this video is I can determine if X and Y are proportional. So just got one problem to look at. And the directions say tell whether X and Y are proportional. So on top, I have all of the X values, and then on the bottom, I have all of the Y values. I would like to know, are they proportional? So what I really want to know, I'm going to highlight something else. I want to know is if this is a ratio, is it proportional to this ratio? And are these two ratios proportional to this ratio? And are all three of these proportional to this ratio? Lots of ways to do this. I could look at two of these ratios, use the cross products property, and then I'm going to have to check the other ones. Another way to do this is to recognize the not recognize, but figure out what these ratios look like when they are in simplest form. This one is already in simplest form. All right, because if when they're in simplest form, if they look like this one, then they are proportional to it. So let's get started. 4/10. I can divide numerator and denominator by 2, divide by 2, divide by 2. And what do I get? I get 2/5. So I'll put a check mark. We can use a different color next to, or I'll just circle the ones in red that are proportional. What about 6/15? Let's see, I can divide each one of these by 3. So 6 divided by 3 equals 2. 15 divided by 3 equals 5. Okay, so that one checks out. Red pen, circle. I can get rid of the black circle. We don't need that. We'll get rid of those. All right, let's look at the last one, which is 8/20. I can divide these by 4. Divide by 4. Divide by 4. And what do I get? 8 divided by 4 is 2. 20 divided by 4 is 5. Holy cow. I can put circles around all of these. They are all proportional. So tell whether X and Y are proportional. This is one way you could figure that out. Another way would be, let me just set these proportions up that I think might be proportions, and let me use a cross products property. So I can, if these two end up being equal, then I need to take one of them. Maybe I take this one. You could have used the other one, and I check it with this one. Because if these two are equal, then it doesn't matter which one I pick to check. So if these two are equal, then I have so far 3 of them that are equal. And I just pick another one, and maybe I take this one and see if it's equal to this one. And if those are equal, if I find the cross products and these end up being equal, then all of them are equal. And it turns out if you did that, you would find that yes, all these cross products would be equal. That's just another way to do it. Okay. Another favorite, fan favorite, for those that like calculators, in your calculator, what is 2 divided by 5? Well, it's 0.4. What is 4 divided by 10? It's 0.4. What's 6 divided by 15? It's 0.4. What's 8 divided by 20? It's 0.4. These are all equal as well. So that means that X and Y are proportional. All right, enough of that business. I'll see you guys soon. Let's go do some more math. I'm out. Bye.